Like we said, we are still at our piggery at Fungom Farms. Today is Saturday the 28th of October 2022. The feed has been mixed and is ready for feeding. Our friends can't wait to have a delicious bite this morning. Oh, enjoy. You can see that. That's delicious, yeah? Our guys are having a good time. Bon appetit. Here we go. It's a fight here. Oh, how delicious it's going here. Can say that this is sustainable agriculture at the Fungom Farms. This is chicken droppings mixed with commercial feed, and it's a delicacy for pigs. Bon appetit. The next stage here is once these pigs enjoy this food and their dung drops right down here. You can see that. That is pig dung. This is what we call gold. This is pig dung. We use this pig dung to cultivate maggots. There is a process to cultivate this maggot and use the maggot as protein, source of very great protein for the chicken farm. We will show you how we do that in the next lot of our videos. Just stay with us. The next step, after producing the maggot from this pig dung, we'll use the leftover as manure for our vegetable gardens. It's all about sustainability at the Fungom Farms. Nothing goes for waste. Welcome again to